Professional landscapers demand commercial-duty hedge trimmers. Makita offers 3 solutions with lower emissions, lower operating costs, and no fuel mixing required. Get a Makita 25.4cc MM4 hedge trimmer. Makita hedge trimmers are powered by a 25.4cc commercial-duty 4-stroke engine that requires no fuel mixing. Makita MM4 4-stroke hedge trimmers are engineered with mechanical automatic engine decompression. That means quicker, easier starts. They're equipped with a commercial-duty dual-stage air filter and steel drive shaft for lower vibration and longer equipment life. Makita MM4 hedge trimmers are engineered for increased reach, better weight distribution, and improved balance for easier access to hard-to-reach areas and improved operator comfort. Makita offers 3 options in MM4 hedge trimmers to fill the demands of the professional landscaper. EN4950H articulating hedge trimmer with 13 angle settings for efficient trimming of overhead and low-lying hedge. The angle change lever quickly and easily adjusts blade angle, while 180-degree blade adjustment allows blade to be positioned along shaft for convenient transport and storage. Model EN5950SH with 24-inch double-sided blade with high blade speed for efficient cutting. Commercial duty gear case with tip guard engineered for improved durability. Model EN7350SH 30-inch single-sided hedge trimmer with chip receiver for efficient collection and cleanup of clippings. Ergonomically designed rubberized soft grip provides more comfort. Commercial duty performance with lower emissions, lower operating costs, and no fuel mixing.
The hedge trimmer, I really like the length of it. I could brace it against my body when I was cutting through heavy brush, and it had lots of power, and I like the fact that it runs straight gas.